Hey everyone, welcome back to Wealthy Coin. Shytoshi just told everyone about this 7-day plan for Shiba Inu to reach $3. News about Shiba Inus today. A lot of people are interested in the Shiba Inu idea and its own cryptocurrency because of recent events. Shytoshi Kusama, the founder and main programmer of the company, told the Shib army that the development team is working on a burn mechanism that will have an impact on the whole Shiba Inu ecosystem. People who own Shibs can't help but be excited about the future, with the main Twitter account for the community hinting at yet another big update. Today, Shytoshi just shared this 7-day plan for Shiba Inu to reach $3. Watch the movie to learn more. News about Shiba Inus today. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to see more expert analysis and price forecasts for Shiba Inus. Let's start the video right away. Since Shiba Eternity came out in Australia, a lot has happened. The latest comment from the official account tweet has made everyone even more excited and eager. The Shiba Inu team just sent out an exact date for the launch of the Shiba Inu collectible card game through the Twitter Space event Shiba Eternity Community Update. The statement says that Shiba Eternity will start on October 1. The Shiba Inu community will enjoy their app's release on download day, which will also be a day when the Android and iOS app stores are broken. Because of this, there was a lot of interest in the coin and the environment as a whole. There's more good news for the environment. The development team is still finishing up Shibarium, the next update that should come out on or around September 30th. It is said that this update will make the Shiba Inu ecosystem more flexible and lower petrol costs for everyone, especially gamers. The coin is worth between 957 cents and 1,230 cents right now. This means that the price of the currency is still in the range it was in June, which is not a good month for cryptocurrencies. This drop in price came after a steady rise from June to August. It was caused by bigger market causes. Investors and traders were scared when interest rates went up by 0.75% and year-over-year inflation started to rise faster. From its highest point on September 10th, the price dropped by 25.6%. Still, the price has gone up from its lowest point on September 21 to around 1,038 cents. The expected relief rally for the token will be helped by prices in this area. The last drop, which happened at 1,192 cents, is the support. This level is very important because bulls can easily take advantage of any breaks above the 78.60 fib level. The worth of the Shib token could be changed by changes in the Ethereum ecosystem since it is based on Ethereum. The coin's instability may get worse because of the way the market is right now, which could cause it to crash. We can expect Shib to ride the wave of recovery if the bigger financial markets get better after falling on September 13. Shiba Inu is one of the most well-known joke coins in the world, but its price hasn't changed much lately. It's gone down 6% in the last week, and this isn't looking good. Now that there are a lot of changes in the environment, Shib can help turn things around in its favor. To give you an example, Shib download day for Shiba Eternity was just announced for October 1, 2022. Shiba makers said last year that the card game Shiba Eternity would be out within the next year, and it looks like they kept their word. There were also some good events after this news, which could cause the price of Shib to go up, in addition to the start date. Another important piece of information was shared. The Shib will be burned with 5% of the game's proceeds. Even more investors were happy about this because it was good news for long-term investment. Every day, Shib burns millions of tokens. In the past 24 hours, they burned over 16 million tokens. An interesting finding from a different study is that 30% of Shiba Inu owners hold on to the meme coin as a long-term investment. So, the plan to use the 5% profit from Shiba Eternity and the higher burn rate give investors hope for better times in the long run. Even though Shib hasn't seen any big price increases lately, the joke coin's price did go up when this news came out. With a market size of $5,921,568,523, Shib was trading at 1,078 cents, which was a little higher than the last 24 hours. It's interesting that Shib's MBRV ratio also went up compared to last week. The coin's social activity went in the same direction, and it has been slowly going up over the last few days. Even though the measures and Shib's current price action don't directly point to a move to the north anytime soon, we can expect these positive changes to show up on Shib's chart in the coming months. Crypto Quant's data, on the other hand, showed that Shib's relative strength measure was not moving. Yet, its stochastic showed that the market was too low, which could also help Shib see an increase earlier than thought. As soon as the meme coin Shiba Inu showed off its 100,595 non-fungible virtual land plot metaverse called Shiba Lands, whales became interested in it. Shiba Inu has suggested that some virtual plots in its metaverse, which are like roads, boulevards, and hubs, should stay open to everyone, but there will be other places for sale. The people who work on the environment also put out a collection of NFT called Shytoshis on Shiba Swap, their decentralized exchange. The sales of NFT went well and were over in less than 24 hours. On the other hand, the sales page says that more NFT will be available in the future. The Shiba Inu platform is also trying to make these NFT more useful in cryptocurrency. They want to make a gaming site where the NFT can be used as characters in games. Another piece of Bitcoin news is Shiba Inu and Block Forest are working together to make a set of NFT for the FIFA World Cup 2022. This will bring in football fans from around the world and make Shiba Inus more important. The Shiba Inu leaders talked about some parts of Shiba Eternity at the event. The crypto basic learned from the conversation that the game would have more than 500 cards with thousands of different Shytoshi traits, as well as giving more details about the Shiba Inu collectible card game. The team revealed that Shiba Eternity would have in-app purchases like card skins, card packs, in-game money, extra XP, and other things. Some games on the market require you to pay to win. This game does not. This means that anyone from anywhere in the world can play and win, no matter how much money they have. Each player could play with their base deck and not have to buy any improvements. Someone who worked on Shiba Inu has also shared the game's guide with people who don't know how to play it. Shiba Inu's leadership team has also announced a fun contest for the Shiba Inu community to make an intro video for Shiba Eternity. The statement says that the person who makes the most amazing intro trailer for the Shiba Eternity game will win $5,000 in Shiba Inu tokens. They say that the trailer will be used as the official video for the game. As the crypto basic noted earlier, Shytoshi Kusama, who is in charge of building the Shiba Inu ecosystem, announced that 5% of all the money made from the Shiba Inu collecting card game would be used to burn all of the Shiba Inus that are already in circulation. The choice was made after the Shiba Inu community forced the lead developer to burn all the Shiba Inus, which had a big effect on the prices of digital assets with dogs in them. It was made clear by Shytoshi Kusama that the team couldn't burn the whole stock of Shib because it was already on the market and would cost billions of dollars to get it all, that the team doesn't have. So, the Shiba Inu team is working hard to add burn mechanisms to all parts of the Shiba Inu ecosystem, such as the long-awaited Shibarium Layer 2 solution, Shiba Swap V2, Shiba Eternity, Shib the Metaverse, and more. He ended his Discord conversation with these words: "What a funny thing that we are working on, but it's not easy to get and spend billions of dollars." After hearing all of these things from the lead Shiba Inu developers team, 16,000 tweets about Shiba Eternity have made it a popular subject in the business and finance section of Twitter. That's all for today. Do not forget to share, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe to the channel to see our newest videos.